So you're on a sugar-free journey like me and you want to enjoy some of those decadent holiday desserts, but you don't want all the sugar? Well, I've got you. This is one of the easiest toffee recipes. It does not even require a candy thermometer or any of that junk, and it is so easy to put together. All I do is melt down a little bit of butter and add some nuts and let them simmer together for about 5 minutes. Then I add in just a little bit of heavy cream and some of my brown monk fruit sweetener and let it simmer for about another 10 minutes. While that's simmering, I'm going to melt some chocolate. I've got about 7 ounces of chocolate that I've added to the bottom of the casserole dish. And here I'm just adding in the rest of my heavy cream and a pinch of salt and removing it from the heat. I'm going to add my little toffee layer over the chocolate, let it set for a little bit, and then I'm going to add another 7 ounces of chocolate to the top of that and let it fully set in the refrigerator. Now, I like to add a little bit of flaky salt to mine. That is totally optional, but I'm a sucker for that sweet savory combo. So that's how I like to do it. And one thing I do want to note about this toffee is definitely keep it in the fridge. Even after you've broken it up into pieces, it'll keep that toffee crunch way longer than if you were to let it sit out on the countertop. It'll still be delicious, but it'll just be a little bit more of a softer toffee. So yep, that is it. It is so easy, so delicious, and so low in carbs, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it.